Damn. There
The
they
Motor
are.
City Machine Guns, baby.
That's
So that's
crazy.
what they're going to be doing, raising fist?
It's so crazy to see them there.
Yes.
This just totally changed the tag division.
100%.
Completely changes the tag division.
These are the next stars.
It feels surreal.
You know, it feels
Looking at
insane.
them here.
Arguably the greatest TNA tag team of all time in WWE is pretty fucking insane. Bobby Roode, if you ever have another match, man, just sign James Storm up. Just
Alex Shelley, Chris Sabin have innovated.
oh yes.
Raise your fist. Raise your fist. Raise your fist.
Yeah! Let's go! Alex Shelley, Chris Sabin, Motor City motherfucking Machine Guns, baby! Oh, we're in for a treat. Bro, this tag team division is stacked! Absolutely stacked!
This debut has been a long time coming. The Motor City Machine Guns, the newest addition to the
entrance, and they're going straight machine gun. Let's go! I love it! MCMG is here, folks. They have made it. There! Let's go! How are we feeling about it? How did you like the look? And a lot of people said, are they going to be worried about the machine gun? Well, clearly not. This is surreal. A little bit, but again, that's what I think people sometimes forget with the WWE universe. There's a chunk of it that doesn't follow everything. They are very much WWE centric. And I don't know if they felt confused. Like, there's a lot of people on their feet cheering, but there are a good amount of people that aren't quite sure who they are. And then you just woke up the entire block. Let's go, folks.
Yes, I am aware that Motor City Machine Guns are coming. Yes, yes, yes.
Raise your fist. Raise your fist. Raise your fist.
I don't know why the little... No, someone said they haven't aged at all. It's weird. Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
And their opponents, the team of Alex Shelley and Chris Sabin.
Why did someone just say, here comes Weezy and Santi?
This debut has been a long time coming. The Motor City Machine Guns, the newest addition to the tag team division.
I'm gonna lie.
Nick Aldis looking to his past to help shape.
Bring it.
Raise your fist. Raise your fist. Raise your fist.
Damn, dude, this is the WWE. Damn, we didn't get Motor City, but that's I didn't expect to get Motor City.
Motor City.
I still like it.
Yep, I knew it. I knew it was gonna be the same theme that we heard last week on that video. I knew it.
Raise your fist. Raise your fist. Raise your fist.
Are they gonna do the hand point? They're raising your fist. I guess not. They dropped the hand point. Babe, are you crying?
And your opponent, the team of
You guys don't know, Sarah was a longtime TNA fan in the 2000s, 2010s.
Motor City Machine Gun.
Oh, they are doing the hand.
This
There it is.
debut has been a long time coming. The Motor City Machine Guns, the newest.
I'm not sure if they've ever like did any extra work on the main roster. I know Alex Shelley had that match in NXT a few years ago.
Here we go. Here we go, chat.
There you see Berto on your left.
I'd like to
Angel
eventually
on your
see
right,
Triple
and
H get
Elektra
revenge on
Lopez
Cody
in
for
the
smashing
middle,
the
all
throne in him.
representing
Imagine.
Shadow
All right, here we go,
Phantasmo.
everybody.
The winner of this triple threat will advance to next week and battle DIY, with the winners receiving a tag team title shot.
Here we go.
Raise your fist. Raise your fist.
Let's go. Oh, they got a theme song. Is it good though? They got pyro. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool.
Alex Shelley and Chris Sabin.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Raise your fist. Raise your fist. Raise your fist.
Let's go. Oh, that is a very indie entrance, and I love it.
Alex Shelley and Chris Sabin. Motor
Guys.
City Machine
Chris Sabin and Alex Shelley
This debut has been a long
are in
time coming. The
WWE.
Motor City Machine Guns, the newest addition to the tag team division. Nick Aldis looking to his path.
It doesn't seem like a lot of people know who they are.
Raise your fist.
Not WWE fans anyway.
Raise your fist. Raise your fist.
I'm happy for y'all that know who they are. Cause y'all been talking about them for a hot minute. Okay, damn, they gave him pyro.
And your opponent, the team of Alex Shelley and Chris Sabin. Motor City
Chris Sabin sounds familiar for some reason. This would have been a good surprise for the hardcore fans. I don't know why they did not. I don't even know them, but the fact that so many of y'all talked about them, I don't know why they didn't give them a better respected
Smackdown. Quite simple
entrance. I don't know why.
Chris Sabin.
Motor City Machine Guns have now arrived. They are here on Friday Night Smackdown.
Here they are, y'all. Here they are.
Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's see how the crowd reacts to them, because what you did on over down the road is one thing, but how do you get down here?
You know what? Look it. Most of the crowd is just sitting there with their arms folded like we don't even know who y'all are.
And this is what I'm saying with regard to NXT. You gotta warm them up. You gotta warm them up.
Well, there's plenty of people, I don't know.
You gotta warm them up.
I mean,
Oh, here they go. Oh. Here goes new tag team. Uh-oh. Motor City Machine Gun with a little pop. Are you guys excited about Motor City Machine Gun coming over from TNA? People are really excited about this, man. People felt they deserved this a long time ago. If you guys are excited about this right here, give me a yeet into the chat. A yeet into the comment section. Maybe you're not watching this live. But here goes the Motor City Machine Guns making their debut on Smackdown. Earl J liking it. Sophia liking it. Cubano liking it.
Raise your fist. Here they go. They are here. They are Motor City Machine Guns. They're still called that too. Yep, here they are. They got the Oh, okay, they got pyro. I was gonna say they should have pyro. Something should go off right now. The Motor City Machine Guns are here, man. Alex Shelley, Chris Sabin in the house. Oh my goodness, dude. These guys, they can really move. They got an attitude. I really hope that they put together a very good match for them right now, because they actually have a great style and just a legacy that precedes them.
Title shot.
Like Crown Jewel. That's what that needs to happen. All right, here we go, y'all.
Raise your fist. Raise your fist. Raise your fist.
Okay. I can get behind the entrance setup. Motor City Machine Guns, MCMG. Wow, there it was.
And their opponents, the team of Alex Shelley and Chris Sabin, Motor City Machine
Guns. This debut has been a long time coming. The Motor City Machine Guns, the newest addition to the tag team division. Nick Aldis, winners receiving a tag team title shot.
Here we go. Nice. I like that they're doing their
Raise your fist. Raise your fist.
wow, this is so trippy.
Raise your fist.
Nice reaction too. Aw, damn. Deserved, guys. Deserved.
and their opponents, the team of Alex Shelley and Chris Sabin, Motor City.
That is so cool. What a long time coming for this.
This debut has been a long time coming.
I literally just said that. I literally just said this has been a long time coming. And commentary's like, this has been a long time coming.
Here on Smackdown.
That's funny.
Quite simply Wade, Alex Shelley.
The song. Let's see what they got. If they come up with a Def Rebel theme song, I'm gonna be mad.
Oh. Old.
Okay, it's pretty nice so far.
It's not garbage.
Oh. Okay.
It's not garbage.
Okay.
I'm not a fan of the goofy chants in the beginning, but that's just me.
They're gonna do the. They're
Put
gonna
your
do
fist up. Put your fist up. No, it should be put your guns up. That's what it should be.
Put your guns up.
Okay.
That's what it should be.
Kind of different.
Dang, this is crazy, bro. I can't believe they actually in WWE.
I can't believe it, yo.
This is crazy.
This is wild.
And it's just main event the show. Why is this at in the middle of the show, the death hour?
So
This is
crazy.
usually the women's spot.
It's actually crazy.
This is crazy.
Oh, are they going to beat
I never
the
thought they would ever come to WWE. I really didn't.
I did not see them ever like leaving, especially because they were.
Rat-a-tat-tat. Rat-a-tat-tat. They have arrived. Let's go. Oh, give me Chris Sabin versus AJ Styles if he ever gets back healthy. Motor City Machine Gun. Let's go. All right. This is pretty good, pretty big get for WWE. Shout out Motor City Machine Gun. This is not a bad soundtrack, but their old one. The original Motor City Machine Guns is way better. The TNA version. Da-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na.
feel it.
Lure fire, bro.
I feel it. And here we go.
Shit, I ain't never seen done in anime before, bro. That kind of shit.
Here we go. Motor City Machine Guns. LFI is already out there. They ain't. Look. Why he making fun of them? Because they didn't.
Why you keep calling them LFI?
Here they go. Crowd looking like, what the fuck is this? I don't know why I keep calling them LFI. I'm thinking AEW.
I know.
No what? Oh, here's the introduction, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. You got a machine gun in the background? Oh. Raise your fist. Let's go. The machine guns in the WWE. Here we go.
Intro though. Yup, Motor City Machine Guns.
Machine Guns.
Let's go, baby.
Oh.
Holy shit, this feels unreal.
And they had the full name.
Bro, this feels like a pipe dream. They already got pyro in their fucking entrance. That tells you they're getting pushed to the moon. God damn. Yo, this is a
They kind of got a pop.
Yeah, they kind of.